Mock 22, question 7, flight mechanics, performance. We know this equation, Cmx is equal to Cma minus Cl cos alpha plus Cd sin alpha into A by C minus X by C. See, in this equation we have one known point and one unknown point, right? So we can consider A as a known point or X as any unknown point. So in that case, this A distance will be known distance, this X distance will be unknown distance, and Cmx will be that unknown coefficient of moment, and the CMA will be known coefficient of moment. So we can use any two values to connect through this equation. So because alpha is not given, so you substitute alpha is equal to 0, and now because this is a general equation, so we can convert this equation in terms of aerodynamic center, center of pressure, blah blah things. So let's replace this XAC by XAC. XAC means distance of aerodynamic center from leading edge. If this is the wing, so this is the leading edge, so from here you can consider XAC, this is your aerodynamic center, and you consider that A as a known distance, that is C by 4. Why C by 4? C by 4 means chord 1 by 4th of chord. Why like that? Because Cm C by 4 is given. It means what? This Cmx, or you consider this one, anyone, Cm C by 4 is given. It means coefficient of moment at C by 4 is given. Okay, so now I am writing equation like this Cm AC, and here I am writing XAC, correct? Means X I changed to AC. At the same time, you see this CMA only right now. Okay, just first you differentiate the equation first of all, then you will be getting with respect to CL you differentiate, then you will be getting DCM AC by DCL, and then DCM A by DCL, and then this part will be remaining because CL will be 1. After differentiation, CL will be 1. Okay, now you see in this you know that CMAC is a constant to number, so if you differentiate then it will be 0, because coefficient of moment at aerodynamic center is 0. I mean it will not change with CL because moment is constant at aerodynamic center, so coefficient of moment will also be constant. So now remaining term is this and remaining term is this. Now in this term, this A and this CMA you take care, okay, and already this XAC I am writing here. So it means what? By using this equation we can find out this part, but this, what about this A by C? So actually this A is it is like C by 4. Why I am saying A as C by 4? Because Cm C by 4 is given, so this Cm I will use as Cm C by 4, so this A I will use as C by 4. Okay, so this XA by C is given. I mean thus this XAC I can find out by rearranging the equation, so it will look like this. Okay, you can also take as some branded equation for this, and after that substitute the values, and this A value substitute as C by 4, and this 1 by C is remaining here, so CC will get cancelled, so you will be having 1 by 4 here. And now see, you can see that this is a kind of slope form. Okay, it's like dy by dx we can write as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. In same way we can write CMC by 4 2, CMC by 4 1 divided by CL2 minus CL1. So exactly the same data is given, you substitute CM1 CM2 and CL2 CL1 like that here, and you will be getting this much is equal to this much, that I can write as something like this or something like this, whatever, like a nearby answer you can tick. So this answer you can tick.